Welcome to the exciting world of engineering technology. FLATE, or the Florida Advanced Technological Education Center, has partnered with colleges across the state to support the education of high-performance, high-skilled workforce needed in Florida's manufacturing sector from the Panhandle to the Keys. In this video, we are highlighting St. John's River State College. Centrally located between multiple industry hotbeds, St. John's River State College is on the cutting edge of industry technology education. Let's hear more about what a student can expect.
I'm Tim Gilboy. I'm a professor at St. John's River State College. It's just about everything in our manufacturing now because the simple communication between everything is an entirely new level that we're trying to incorporate into our programs. But it's obviously become something very important as this whole thing has evolved from advanced manufacturing to automation. Which one is a subset of the other? And it's kind of interesting because a while ago you would have kind of thought automation was a subset of advanced manufacturing, but the reality now is manufacturing is a subset of automation because automation is being incorporated everywhere. The most important thing that I teach in my program is critical thinking skills and problem solving skills. That's what excites me. Literally watching the light bulb go off on the student's top of their head, and you kind of see it as a teacher, and especially when, I knew that someday it would, but they didn't think it was going to happen. And so that's what really excites me, to be honest with you.
The future is now. Are you ready? Automation and AI is transforming every industry, but behind every smart system, there's a smarter person who understands how it works. That person could be you. Take the first step towards a career that matters, where these skills aren't just relevant, but in high demand. To get started, enroll in an engineering technology program near you, or visit flate.org to learn more about these exciting opportunities. Thank you for joining us today.